What is this IAS mindset that I keep talking about in my tweets? Well, it's the mindset which helps you self-reflect and improve, makes you teachable, have the extreme ownership of all your actions, makes you a problem solver, and gives you the winner's mindset. So how do you develop this mindset? The answer is simple: you got to learn from the best. Here are 3 book recommendations which will help you develop the right mindset. The first one, Rafa, My Story. Rafael Nadal needs no introduction. Reading this book will give you the right mindset you need to prepare the best for UPSC exam. The next one, Usain Bolt. 8 Olympic medals, and again, no introduction needed. This book will teach you how middle class people like you and I can start from scratch and still make a better life for ourselves. The last one is Extreme Ownership. This book has personally helped me a lot in owning my actions and everything I do. I have linked all these 3 books in the pinned comment for you to go and get your copy. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.